Project is Advanced Rider Assistant System for Electric Vehicle Two-Wheelers. We are mainly focused to avoid two-wheeler accidents. We detect the distance between the two vehicles. When the vehicle is closer to the another vehicles, automatically stop the vehicles and indicates by using the buzzers and LED lights. And it is easy to balance automatically by using the two-stepper motors inside two wheels. And in case any accident happens, we detect the location and send it to their family and emergency team by using the GPS module and Node MCU, etc. Thank you. Our project is really helpful to avoid an accident. In case the accident happen, we intimate the emergency team and the family members quickly.